My case,
Madhav.
Dr. Ranganathan.
Good evening, Madhav. I otherwise, and you know it, have great respect for the good Dr. Muni. He has saved life during COVID. But what he said today, I am astonished. Frankly, I just hope he would, take back his words and apologize, because what he said was totally unacceptable. The line that he's taking, the question that he's been asked, and the answer that is given is like at crossroads. But let me come back to this nub of the whole issue, because it's very important that our viewers, your viewers, know what the facts are. Madhav, I'm sorry to say, but there are two sets of people that we need to talk about. The first set includes the politicians. And here they cannot be cured, they have to be endured. They are these hypocrites and they excel in the blame game. Now they know that the chief minister belongs to their party. So does the deputy chief minister, so does the MCD, so does the man in charge of flooding in Delhi, so does the DJB chairman, so does the mayor, so does the MLA. And yet they are refusing to take responsibility. Their own MCD, Madhav, flagged 55,000 illegalities in the last few years. And yet they refuse to see this horror as resulting from a sanctioned illegality. They are blaming people like for desilting, for flooding. What's going on out here? And I have to say this, that the first set also includes the judiciary, that otherwise cracks the whip regularly through suo moto cognizance whenever it sees municipal apathy, because that is what it is, like in Gujarat and Maharashtra, but is silent here for days, despite knowing the horrendous details of the case, despite knowing, as you disclosed, Madhav, that multiple letters were sent by students warning that such a mishap might occur. But here is the thing. A rap on the knuckles isn't enough. I'm sorry. The High Court hasn't gone far enough. What is the penalty to the state? Will it return dignity to the victims and their families? Will it stop the state from inflicting similar horrors on other citizens? The state, Madhav, remains all powerful. These hollowed out pillars of executive and legislature know the judiciary can't deal in time with every such case. Therefore, an example has to be set. Let the weight of the compensation be such that it humiliates, I repeat, humiliates the state morally and financially.
Right. And let me bring in Parvinder Singh Sethi. Parvinder Singh Sethi, end of the day, the court is making scathing observations. हमें इन पे कम से कम इतना तो सोचना पड़ेगा जब कोर्ट आके कहती है कि ये जोक है. MCD is not bothered. It's like water on a duck's back. Not one person from MCD has been arrested, and it's a fact. Neither MCD, nor DJB, nor PWD, anyone action has been taken on. कोर्ट कह रही है कि इनको गिरफ्तार क्यों नहीं किया गया. जो लोग इंपॉर्टेंट हैं इस पूरे केस में, कंप्लेंट्स दी गई हैं, किसी की गिरफ्तारी नहीं हो रही है, कोई अकाउंटेबल नहीं है. और एमसीडी की जो रिपोर्ट है वो अपने आप में सवाल खड़े करती है. बाकी सबको दोषी ठहरा है. एमसीडी के अलावा बाकी सब दोषी हैं. एमसीडी की कोई गलती नहीं है.
नहीं एमसीडी के जेई को टर्मिनेट कर दिया गया, उसके असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर को सस्पेंड कर दिया गया, उसके ऊपर जांच चल रही है. जो भी दोषी होगा,
क्रिमिनल एक्शन
चाहे वो छोटे लेवल पे है चाहे हाई लेवल पे है, उसके ऊपर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी.
क्रिमिनल एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया गया?
बिल्कुल क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी है सर इसके अंदर. देखिए एमसीडी में 1 साल से आम आदमी पार्टी आई है, लेकिन जो इस तरह की चीजें हैं, अभी जो एलजी हैं, जो कोचिंग सेंटर है, उनसे मीटिंग्स कर रहे हैं, ये मीटिंग करने का टाइम है.
आप बताइए कौन एक्शन लेगा?
सर एक्शन कलेक्टिवली सेंट्रल सरकार और स्टेट सरकार दोनों की कलेक्टिव जिम्मेवारी है. स्टेट सरकार की भी जिम्मेवारी है. अभी जो सौरभ भारद्वाज जी ने कहा, उन्होंने मीटिंग कॉल करी 13 फरवरी को, उसके अंदर ना चीफ सेक्रेटरी आया ना आईएएस अफसर आए. उन्होंने बार बार लेटर लिख के, जो आतिश जी ने अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करी,
दिल्ली के मेयर कौन सी पार्टी से हैं,
जो कोचिंग सेंटर है,
दिल्ली सरकार कौन सी पार्टी से, ये भी बता दीजिए सर. दिल्ली के मेयर और दिल्ली सरकार कौन से पार्टी से हैं?
सर ये आज तो बेसमेंट बनी नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं सर, मैं बीजेपी से भी सवाल पूछूंगा. आप बता दीजिए कि पिछले 1 साल से कम से कम एमसीडी में है आपकी सरकार और 10 साल में है दिल्ली सरकार में, तो आप गवर्नमेंट की कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं बनती?
सर ये सालों साल नहीं बिल्कुल बनती है. मैं सालों साल से ही इरेगुलरिटीज चलती आ रही हैं. मैं आपको एक और बात का ध्यान देना चाहता हूं. आज यहाँ पे हादसा हुआ है, यहाँ पे हम लोग जाके अब आप देखिए जितनी
जो मौजूदा सरकार है,
मेरी बात पूरी होने दीजिए. जितनी दिल्ली की नहीं, जो जितने दिल्ली की होलसेल मार्केट्स हैं, सदर बाजार हो गया, खारी बावली हो गई, टैंक रोड हो गया, वहां पे 3-3 फुट की गलियां हैं, वहां जल भराव है। लोग अपनी जानों पे खेलकर उन होलसेल मार्केट्स को क्यों नहीं बाहर निकाला जा रहा? वहां पे भी आए दिन आग लगती है, वहां पे भी जल भराव होता है। मैं ये कहता हूं पूरी दिल्ली को जो हमारा सिस्टम और मैकेनिज्म है उसका शिकार है। उसको
two wrongs don't make a right. I'm sorry, Mr. Sethi, two wrongs don't make a right. But I want to go across to RP Singh. Since the name of the BJP has been taken, RP Singh, this is the legacy of the BJP. 15 years your party was in power. Of course, I don't want to make this a whataboutery, but since the name of BJP is being taken here by Mr. Parvinder Singh Sethi, would you like to respond to him? All right, I think we've lost that line with RP Singh, who's in fact standing on a rainy road. Dr. Ranganathan.
You know, whatever Mr. Sethi said, he's a very erudite person and he supports AAP. I want to ask him just one question. You know, a month ago, due to heavy rains, the roof of airport terminal in Delhi T1 collapsed. You know that, right? What did the BJP say? The BJP came out and said this was built during the UPA. And what did the opposition say? So, whose responsibility is it to renovate it? Whose responsibility is the upkeep of the thing? Can you just say that it was built by 10 years ago, so now you shirk responsibility? I ask the same question. When Mr. Sethi is saying कि लाइसेंसेस 2 साल में तो नहीं दे दिए, 10 साल से इलीगैलिटी चल रही है, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं थी कि आप वो हटाएं इलीगैलिटी? ये किस तरह का लॉजिक है सेठी साहब?
And let me bring in RP Singh because the role of the BJP has been sought. Mr. RP Singh, I want you to come in on this because your party is coming into question here. He's saying that 15 years of BJP legacy in the MCD is what we are seeing the result of today.
Madhav, Kejriwal came into power by saying, especially in Rajendra Nagar, there was a by-election and they said, जिसकी सरकार उसी का विधायक चुनिए. And this we are suffering. I am standing on one of the most famous road in city named Pamposh Road. The MLA says on this road, corner of this road, and if your cameraman can zoom and show what is the state of this road. There are 6 feet water. There are water going into houses. I'm naming the number of the house, R891. The lady came. Your show got late. She was standing and crying that there was no water to drink, and today their water is inside their house. So this is the state of the affair where the MLA says. And give me another second. Let me just show you what did the mayor said a month back. And she was patting her own people saying 92% नाले साफ कर दिए हमने. ये लीजिए सुनिए.
वाले उसके 92 से 93% तक हम सभी ड्रेन्स की सफाई कर चुके हैं और जो हमारे 4 फीट से नीचे के नाले हैं, ड्रेन्स हैं, उनकी 85% तक हम लोग उनकी साफ सफाई कर चुके हैं.
So this was their claim a month back, 18 June. She held a press conference in city. The problem is that they are not serious about it. One, that desilting, there's a huge corruption in desilting which happened in city. Second, how can a coaching center and a library run from the basement? Now they can't blame 10 years back, 10 साल पहले होता था इसलिए अभी हो रहा है.
Okay.
There are the people who are reporting to them in the municipal corporation and they can send the engineers, please go and check. I was the MLA from this area. I give you a challenge. Not a single coaching center or library was being run from the basement when I was the MLA. We used to ensure that the civic authority should move to each building and do a check. But now there is hand in glove. I'll appreciate. Send you a cameraman tomorrow. I'll show how there's another building which is coming up.
We have been covering all ends of Rajendra Nagar, sir, and certainly, of course, another rain, another day, and we have all of Delhi inundated.